the previous video we have just completed the exercise 2.3 and we have just reached to the 2.4 exercise 2.4. In that the topic is finding percentage. Okay, so we have to find out the percentage for that. Finding percentage, that is our new topic. Okay, so here, see here, it is given here. First of all, the theory, that is, remember, percent means out of 100. So 50% means 50 out of every 100. When we work out percentage of an amount, it is sometimes helpful to converting it into fraction. Here, see here, the example is given over here. So here you can see the example is 10% out of 50. The example is 10% out of 50. 10% of 50. Okay, so we have to find out the 10% of 50. So first of all, this is percent. Okay, this percent is to be converted into the fraction. Okay, so what we will do, that is, if I just want to remove this percentage sign, then I can write 10 upon 100. Okay, 10 upon 100 and of 50, so into 50. First of all, 0, 0 cut, 0, 0 cut, and here our answer is 5. 10% of 50, that is 5. And there is another method. If I say that 100, sorry, not 100, yes, we can also use okay, I think this method is good one for you. Okay, students, so what is given? 10% of 50, then what we have to do? 10 divided by 100 into 50, and here are some of the other examples of 2.4. Okay, from that let us calculate any of 6 are there. From that I am just calculating any of the 3, else you have to do in your homework. Okay, students, so the exercise 2.4, exercise 2.4, in that question number 1, we will do any of the 3. So first of all, writing the question, the B, that is 25% of 4 kg. The another one that we will do is C, that is 75% of 1 liter, and F, that is 33% of 30 centimeter. So this all we have to convert. Okay, we have to find out. Okay, so here first of all it is given 25% of 4 kg. We have to find out the 25% of 4 kg. So first of all, what you have to do? We have to convert this 25 into fraction, means 25 upon 100. We know that what we do if you want to convert this into percentage, then into 4. So first of all, 25 4s are 100 and 4 1s are 4. So your answer will be 1 kg. Okay, here 25 divided by 100. This we have to convert fraction to the percent to the fraction, and then after we have to multiply this, that how much is to be converted. Then 25 by 100 into 4. 25 4s are 100 and 4 1s are 4, and your answer is 1 kg. Over here it is given 75% of 1 liter. So what we will do? 75 upon 100 into 1. Okay, here if anything multiply by 1, then what we will write? 75 upon 100. Okay, then I can also write this is 0.75 liter. Yes or not? 0.75 liter is our answer. And the third one, that is 33% of 30 centimeter, that is 33 upon 100 into 30 centimeter. So here 0, 0 cut. Here it will be 99 upon 10. Then your answer will be 9.9. You can see here it is 1 0, then we have to shift one decimal, okay, and then we will get our answer. Here 0 0 cut, 33 into 3, that is 99, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. Then after divided by 10, here we have cut it 0 0, so it remains 10, and here we put a decimal point, so 9.9. Sorry, no, I forgot to just write the unit, that is centimeter, okay. And in our question number 2, before that you just write down this. Find the following. The question number 2 is also same. I am just first of all rubbing this, and first of all we will solve here. Question number 2. Question number 2, that is find the following. In that, writing there is also 6, so from that also I will do any of the 3, and else you have to do by yourself. So question number 2 we will do is A, that is 10% of rupees 60. So let us find out this. So this is also simple only. Here it is that 10% of 60 rupees means I will say that 10 upon 100. First of all we have to convert that, and then after if I multiply this with 60, okay, then what we will get answer, that 1 0 1 0 another 0 another 0, then our answer will be 6 rupees. Our answer will be 6 rupees. Okay students, so this is the question 2A. Then after another we will do is question 2C. Question 2C. Question 2C, that is 75% of 36 rupees. 75% of 36 rupees. Okay. Then after over here, first of all what we have to do, we have to convert this, means 75 upon 100 into 36. Okay. Now we can cut this both by the 2, but what we will do, we will just multiply this both and put a decimal point. Okay, decimal point. So let us multiply this one. Let us see what we get. 75 into 36. First of all, 6 5s are 35. 6 6 are 36. 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 3, 45. Plus 0, 5 3s are 15. 3 7 3s are 21. Plus 1 20. Sorry, 21 plus 1 22. Okay, here 5, here 0, here 1. 4 plus 1 5 plus 2, that is 7, and here 2. Okay, so 7, here we get the answer, that is 2705 upon 100. I have just multiplied this both. See, I have done this over here, that is I have multiplied this, okay, and we get answer, that is 2705. And then after we get the answer, what we will do, we will put a 2 decimal over here. This is 1 2, so your answer will be 27.05. 27.05. Okay students, please note down this, but don't forget to put that I have just forgot, that is rupees sign. Okay, it can just cut your half mark. Now moving further, we will do, that is F. So F is 50% 56. F is 50% of 56. Okay. Then here first of all we have to do like this, 50 upon 100 into 56. Yes or not, student? Yes. Then you can see here 0 0 can be cutted. Now what we will do, we will multiply 56 into 5 and then after put a decimal point. Okay, let us multiply, let us see what we get. That is 56 into 5. 6 5s are 30, 5 5s are 25, 25 plus 3 28. Then we will get is 280 upon 10. Here you can see 0 0 can be cutted, so our answer is 28 rupees. Here I in this sum also I just forgot to put a sign of rupees. Okay. Now moving towards exercise 2.5, which is the number stories. From that I will solve any of the 3. 4 are given. I will solve any 3. Else one remaining that you have to do by yourself. Okay. Here exercise 2.5. Exercise 2.5. Okay. First we will do the second one, that is, in one day a child spends 9 hours sleeping, 2 hours eating and 7 hours in school. What percentage of day is left for other activities? Here what they are telling, 9 hours sleeping, 2 hours eating and 7 hours in school. Okay, let us write first of all 9 hours of sleeping, then after 2 hours of eating and 7 hours of school. So we have to find out what percentage of the day is left for other activities. So first of all we have to do the total, that is 9 plus 2, that is 11. 11 plus 7, that is 18. 18 hours of the activity is done over here. Okay, and if I just subtract, in a day there is how much hours? That is 24 hours. From that I just subtract 18 hours, then we can find out in the remaining hour the the remaining hour. So what I will do, remaining hours is equal to 24 minus 18. We will get our answer, that is 18 plus 4, that is 22. 24 plus 2, that is here it will be 6 hours. Means 6 hours are remaining, and then after what we have to do, we have to find out the percentage, and that we know that how to find out the percentage. That is, if 100%, here we don't have to write this. Here if 24 hours is equal to 100%, 24 hours is equal to 100%, then 6 hours is equal to how much? Then here we have to do cross multiplication. So 6 into 100 divided by 24. Okay, and there is another method also to just do that, but here now just what we do, 6 4s are 24 and 4 25s are 100. So 25% of day is remaining. 25% of hour are remaining in a day. That is our answer. And this, if you want to do in short, then it can be happen like this. So if you have to do this sum in the short, then what you will do? First of all, you have to do this only. Up to where? Here we have told that what percentage of the day is left for other activity. Here we have to find out the percentage left, that how much hour is left, and then after we have to find out the percentage. So first of all, the hours which are given, that is 9 hours for sleeping, 2 hours for eating, 7 hours for school. So if we total, that is 9 plus 2 11 plus 7, 18. So 18 hours the child is busy in what? Sleeping, eating, and in the school. So now left. So how much are left? So in a day there are 24 hours. If I just remove 18 from the 24 hours, then what we will get? That is 24 minus 6 hours. Okay. And then after we have to find out this 6 hours of percentage. Then what we will do? 6 hours of 24. How much? 6 hours of 24 into 100. Then you will find out the percentage like this. Then your answer will be 25% of the day is remaining for the other activity. Okay, students, please note down this. You just don't write this. I have just done for the explanation only. The second one, third one, the price of television set costing 12,500 is reduced by 15%. What is the new price? Here we all know that we have just gone in some of the shops or showrooms. In that there is a Diwali offer and some of the festival offer, and also some of the festival offer, the December offer is there. And what they do, 50% of discount, 10% of discount. Okay, this they are giving. So there is a television. Okay, that costs 12,500 rupees, and there is a discount of 15%. I am just giving an example, student, to understand this question. That is 15% of discount is there. Then what will be the new price? It will be less only. So let us calculate. Okay. Okay, students, have you written this? I am just rubbing this. So here, question number 3. Question number 3, that is the price of television, that is 12,500 price is equal to 12,500 rupees, and from that there is a discount, that is 15% reduced. That is 15% reduced. So in this, what we have to do? We have to first of all find the 15% of this. Means I can form 15% of 12,500 rupees. We all know finding percentage. In that we have seen that if it is given, then what we have to do? 15% of 12,500 rupees, then 15 upon 100 into 12,500, and here you can see two zeros are cutted. And then after, what we have to do? We have to multiply 125 into 15. Let us multiply 125 into 15. Here, first of all, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 12, 5 1s are 5 plus 1, 6 plus 0, 5 2 1, and 5 7 8 1. So 15% of 12,500, that is 1,875 rupees. 1,875 rupees. And now we have to find the cost of that television, the new price of that television. So what we will do? We just subtract 1,875 from 12,500. Then we will find the new price by the discount. Okay, so let us do that. So over here, then here new price is equal to 12,500 minus 1,875. So it will be, just calculating over here, that is 12,500 minus 1,875. Here it will be 4, here it will be 9, 10, 5, 2. So here it will be 1, here it will be 14. So here it will be 6, 1 minus 1, 0, 1. So the new price will be 10,625 rupees. Okay, 10,625 rupees is our new price of the television. Okay, moving further to the question number 4. So the question number 4, before that you just write down this and I am just reading. The price of dress costing 140 rupees is reduced by 10%. What is the new price? Here the price of dress costing 140 is reduced by 10%, and here they have given a discount of 10%. So we have to find out what is the new price. Okay, we have to do this sum the same only. Okay, so fourth one we will not do. Okay, fourth one you have to do like this. According to the third one, we will do question number 1, that is 60% of a class of 40 can swim. Then how many children in the class cannot swim? Let us see that. Have you written down this, students? Okay, now moving towards question number 1. So question number 1, that is question number 1. 60% of class 40 can swim. Means question number 1 here, 60% of class can swim, and the total is how many? Total, that is 40 students. Then what we will do is, first of all we just find out the students which can swim. So here it is given 60% of class can swim, means out of here we can write 60% of 40 students. Then what will be there? Then 60 by 100 into 40. 1 0, 1 0, another 0, another 0. Okay, 6 4s are 24. So 24 students can swim. Then we have to find out how many students cannot swim. So over this side, students cannot swim, that is 40 minus 24. These students can swim. Students can swim. So if I subtract 24 minus 40, then the students which cannot swim, that will be our answer. So here 40 minus 24, then 40 minus 24, here it will be 3, here it will be 10, here it will be 6, 1. So 16 students cannot swim. Okay, 15 students cannot swim. This is our answer. Please note down, students. And in your today's homework, you have to do is homework. Okay, so in your homework you have to do is remaining sums remaining sums of exercise 2.4 and 2.5. Okay students, we will meet in the next video. Bye students.